Well, here's what we're starting with. Got the old Willys with it's got a straight 6. It's definitely a start, but definitely ain't much. It's gonna be beautiful. So I figured I'd do a quick update here on the wife's truck. See, these are the old cab mounts. Pretty much all right up there, so I made some new ones. Patched up along the whole sides, both sides, and I put a reinforcement plate on there, so I cut that out on the CNC table. So both sides are pretty much gone on the cab mounts, and well, if you can see, she was rotted through pretty good. And the other thing is, you got a rear frame member in. Just used a piece of 3x4.